Alright folks, once again I'm here to bring you another unlock for the pattern lock on your Samsung F54. So in today's video we're going to show you how to unlock this pattern or pin or any other password you have set on your device, okay?
Let's go then. Remove your chip, remove your memory card. In some cases, you will also need to connect a USB cable to your computer.
It could be yours, it could be your case. You can trade with the cable or without the cable in your attempt, and whichever way works, you can put it in the comments to help other people as well.
Our recommendation is that you connect the cable so it enters recovery mode. Go there and select the unlock option, which I will show you here. On this emergency screen, you will press the minus button and the power button together. At the same time, when it restarts, release only the minus and press the plus. When the name Samsung appears on the screen and stays there without disappearing, release only the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you, okay? Let's go then.
Minus and power, hold until the device restarts.
Release the minus, now press the plus.
Now focus your attention on the screen. Release the power and keep holding the volume up button here.
Let's say this is the recovery mode. Remember that this procedure also works for other Samsung models. Now you go down by pressing the minus button until this option here where it says clear data factory reset and confirm with the power button, which is the on and off button. Go down again with the minus button, confirm with the power button, just one click. Let's wait for this information to complete. Just click the power button again and your device is already being unlocked. You'll see it will come back. It won't ask for any default password on the home screen. If you also need to unlock your email and Google account, we can do this unlocking remotely. Our number will be in the video description or the channel description for you to clear your doubts, ask your questions, check the cost of your unlocking, and also check the cost of any other device repair you want. If this video helped you, and if you can within your means make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. No matter the amount, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I have helped you. This was today's video. Thanks, a hug.